Okay, so now that I've created my graph, I'm going to spend a little bit of time in this tutorial making a few modifications to the graph in order to visually represent our data a little bit better. As you can see here, the green line is my training load, and if I looked at my original graph, this type of chart would look better as a bar rather than a line. So what I can do is select the whole line here simply by clicking on it, then right-clicking using my mouse and going down to change series chart type. In this situation, I like the bar graph, so I'm going to go up to column, select the first column, which is a simple bar, and hit OK. Now you can see that the line is now converted to bars. The other thing that I want to do is just to smooth out some of these lines for my volume and intensity. So here, if I drop down my volume, you can see that the lines are quite sharp. The way I do this is selecting the blue line, right-clicking on my mouse, and going down to Format Data Series. In this case, change my line style, and there's a button there that says Smooth Line. I'll hit that button, and now you can see that the line is slightly smoothed out. You can do the same thing with intensity. You can select the line, format the data point, go line style, smooth line, and hit that again. Now it'll smooth out the line. The last feature I'm going to look at is just changing my axis here, where I know that likely I'm going to have very few values below 40. So what I can do is simply select that line or select the axis, then go into Format Axis with the right click of my mouse, and I'll have some options here. So I'll keep the maximum on auto, but for the bottom I'll fix it at 40. Hit that, and now the magnitude of my graph has changed a little bit. So that my axis runs from 40 to 140 in this case. So the next little video will show how we can model the training plan based on the graph that we've created here.